In this video, we are going to take a look at how to post and view patient payments in CMD. Posting payments creates an association between the payment and a charge, so you can have records for reporting and auditing purposes. Users with the patient payment permission are able to post and view patient payments in CMD. Let's get started. Patient payments can be posted from the Scheduler section, from the Claim section, and from the Payment section. Feel free to post a payment from any of these sections based on your workflow. Regardless of which section you use, the process is the same. To post a payment from the Payment section, click on the Payment section, then Post. Posting patient payments is easy. Search for the patient that made the payment and enter the payment amount. Check the Print Receipt box to print a receipt once the payment has been posted. Enter the date the check was received and the check number. If the payment was not a check, you don't have to worry about these fields. Next, select the payment type. Is it a copay or a payment? This is used for reporting purposes and will update the memo line for this payment. Then, select whether it is a check, cash, or credit card. If you are using our in-app credit card processing feature, you can swipe the customer's card and the payment will be collected and posted automatically within CMD. Now that you have entered the payment information, the last step is deciding how you want to post the payment. You can choose to credit the patient's account and apply it at a later date. Apply the payment automatically, or apply the payment manually. Let's talk about each method. Credit the account should be used if the charge has not been entered into CMD yet, or if the payment does not apply to a specific charge. Choosing this option will add the payment amount to the patient's account credits. Account credits can be applied to charges at a later time. Click Credit Account, use the Due To drop-down menu to define whether the credit should be applied to the patient's credit bucket or the payer's credit bucket. If needed, edit the memo line to accompany this credit for tracking purposes. Then, select the provider and office. Once you're happy with your selections, click Save. When you are ready to apply credits towards charges, head over to the Apply Credit screen. We'll talk about this section in another video. The quickest way to post patient payments is to apply automatically. The system will automatically post the payment to the oldest due patient or payment plan charge. If you want to see the charges the payment will post to first, check the Show Preview button before selecting the due patient or payment plan charge. This will allow you to see a list of all the claims and charges sent for this patient. You will find basic information like the start and end balance, any available credits, and how much of the payment has been applied. If you would like to change the charge that this payment is applied towards, use the Apply Payment column to post the payment. Once you are happy with the payment, click Save. The last method is to apply the payment manually. Use the Apply Payment column to apply an amount to a specific charge. Clicking the Apply Remaining button will automatically post the remaining balance, starting with the oldest charge. Once you are happy with the payment, click Save. Now that you have posted the payment, let's learn how to view them. Go to the Payment section, then select View. To view a patient payment, first find the patient you want using the search bar, or the additional options to further drill down your search. Select the patient you want to view from the list. While viewing the payment, you can see the charge the payment was made towards. Once you are done viewing the payment, click Close. Now that we've showed you how to post and view patient payments, try it out for yourself to see how easy it is. For step-by-step directions, FAQs, and other how-to videos on the payment section, visit our Knowledge Center at help.collaboratemd.com. Thanks for watching.